Good evening, third grade parents. This is our newsletter for the week of September 24th through the 28th. Today was a crazy busy day, so the newsletter is coming from the couch at my house. If you hear a movie in the background, sorry, but my daughter is watching Coco. But I wanted to get this done tonight so that I don't forget to do it tomorrow. In math, we are on Module 2, which is about time and rounding numbers. So we're starting with topic A, which is time problem solving. We've been telling time on a number line and understanding that the number line is just a clock when it is all straightened out onto one line, and we still skip count by fives. So we've been working on that. Homework's still going to come home 2 to 3 problems a night. When I sent home homework tonight, I did notice that the homework books that we had made by our print shop through the district was something happened where the pages weren't front and back anymore. So instead of having the kids tear out the pages because the front side may be what we need tonight, but the back side would have been for another lesson, I just told them to bring their whole math journal home and do their homework, and then tomorrow I'll just have them bring me their math journal and I'll check it that way. I don't want them to tear the pages out because then they're going to lose one side of something that we may need. Science, we are beginning Unit 2 called Look and Listen. Today students constructed an argument as to how animals form groups to survive, and we did an activity called Coyotes and Rabbits Outside, where the coyotes were the prey and the coyotes were the predator and the rabbits were the prey, and what the rabbits needed to do in order to survive and what the coyotes needed to hunt in order for them to survive. So they had fun with that. Next week we'll start Okay, Giselle. Next week we will start a research on different animals or insects and how they survive in their environments and in the groups that they are in. In reading, we're doing Unit 2. Our Lesson 6 today is about life science. So we read a story today called Bat Loves the Night. And if you are signed up on Class Dojo, then you got to see how we took that to another level. We transformed our classroom into a bat cave. So we have webs and bats hanging down from the ceiling. We have a cave-like border paper thing hanging outside of our door before we walk in so that it gets dark. Today we turned off the lights and we read with flashlights and glow sticks in our cave and listened to cave music or cave sounds that you would hear in a cave, so echoing, things dripping down, and they were really engaged. So we'll do some more of that this week. One of their STEM activities is going to be to see if they can use various materials to build a bat. And I did ask that every student needs to bring a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll, just a little cardboard tube that's left after you've used everything on the roll, by Wednesday so that they can work on that this week. In writing, we are working on verbs. Reminders, if you have not already, please look over your students' progress report and send the bottom half back signed. I got a lot of those back today. Well, say like 5 or 6. So if you didn't see that on Friday, check your students' backpacks. I had some kids absent on Friday, so they should have brought theirs home today because it was in their mailbox. And just sign them and send the half back, so that lets me know that you were able to look over it. If you have any questions, though, please, send me an email or message me on Class Dojo. Our important dates this week, nothing until Friday. We're having an intruder drill, lunch with the principal at Avid Stars, and our no tardy party is at 3:15. Your kids came home with their spelling list today. It's on a bright green sheet of paper. And remember, if they got a 90% or higher on their pre-test today, then they got a challenge spelling list. Spelling test will be on Friday. And I think that's it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you know how to get a hold of me, and have a great week.